Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will discuss another important problem in strings. So this is the problem: reverse the characters of each word in a string. So here the input is given like this, Rohit Sharma, and the output will be like this. So what we have to do, it's a one word and it's a second word. So just we have to reverse the characters of each word. So this is single word, so for that we have to print in this manner from T to R, then space will come, and then for this word we have to print the characters in reverse, so we have to print from A to S. So this is the problem. Now see how to solve this type of question. We have so first we include the header files. I am writing the program in C++, so in hashtag include iostream, then include using namespace std and main. So now firstly we have given a string. So firstly we take string variable, let's say string s. Now we are going to take the string as a whole. So what we use getLine function, getLine c in s. Now for the next step, what we have to do, let's take a variable n, and n will give us the length of the string. So s.len gth length. Okay, so n will give the length of the string. Let's take two another variable I, j is equal to 0, and also now for reversing, let's take one more variable. I think it will also come in temp, and then take begin and end. So now what we do, firstly we run a loop for I is equal to 0, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. Now what you have to do, firstly we go from this R, and whenever the space will come, so firstly I will write the code, then I will explain. If s of I is equal to, the space will come, or we reach the end of the string. So we will run another for loop, and we will give begin is equal to j, and j is initialized to 0, and the end is equal to I minus 1. Begin will be taken as I plus j divided by 2. It will reduce the complexity, so I am using this way, and then begin plus plus and end will be subtracted because and okay. Now just swap the position of temp with s of begin and s of begin with s of end and s of end with temp. Now you see that our j position will be incremented to I plus 1, and then in the end just see out the string S, and now take the input like Rohit Sharma. Once I will check, okay, now run the code. It shows that okay, there is no need of this. And any other error? Yeah. See the output. TIHOR, TIHOR, AMRAHS, AMRAHS. So this is the required output. So in this way we will solve this question. Now I will explain this part. Print it 2 times. So this is the part I will explain now. So this is the input ROHIT Sharma. So this is the code, and but how to proceed in this question? So firstly, my for loop will run from I is equal to 0, I less than equal to n. So which means that let's give the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, space will come at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. A is 11 position index, and then it's a 12 index. Okay. So firstly, if our loop will go from I is equal to 0 and till 12th position. So till here our loop will run one space. So if the space will come, so first space will come at the 5th position. So first space will come at the 5th position. So I is equal to 5. So when I is equal to 5, then space will come. So we entered into this loop, and then our begin is equal to j, and we know that j is given as 0. So our begin is equal to 0, end is equal to I is equal to 5 at the space position. So end is equal to 4. Now begin is less than I plus j divided by 2. So I is equal to 4, I is equal to 5, and j is equal to 0. So 5 plus 0 divided by 2, we will get around 2, and then begin plus plus, so and n minus 1. So firstly we just implemented this part, and then the temp position will become s of begin is equal to 0, and s of 0 will become s of end. So s of end is 4, and s of end s of 4 will become the temp position. So temp is equal to 0. So what will happen? This string will be reserved, will be reverse, and we get the output like T I H O R. So this part we have done till here, and now the j is equal to 0, and now the j will become I plus 1. So we know that whenever we entered into this loop at that time, the value of I is equal to 5. So now our j will become 6. So whenever again we run, now j is equal to 6. Now our loop till here 5. Now 6 will come. So whenever for the next time, so our loop will run from 6 and end will be the this part. So let's say it's 5, it's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So at 12 we include that one more space will come. So our end will become 11. So next time we will print the values from this 11 to this 5. We have to also include space. So in this way we will approach this question. So this is very simple part, and if you practice you will definitely solve another questions on string like this. So if you like this video, then please like and please share the video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.